My video tutorial is about removing the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Furjaneable.live. Furjaneable.live is a fake survey alerts. It tries to gather a lot of information about users, such as name, surname, email address, and other data. Please be extremely careful and do not tolerate these pop-ups. As I said, they are fake and really deceptive, so don't trust these misleading messages. Simply leave this page. I also recommend that you carefully investigate your computer with the help of a reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on the computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.